What's up, nail crew? Let's do some super easy nail stickers using only dip powder and dip liquids. The very first thing I did was I dipped all my nails in Just a Girl from OG Dip Powder, and then I used these really fun little heart stickers from Truly Nails, and I'll link all that in my description box. So whenever I'm doing dip, I always like to do 2 to 3 layers of the dip powder. I want to show everyone another method that I like to do sometimes with solids and shimmers. It's what I call the lay flat method, and in this method, you'll pour all of your color into some kind of cupcake liner or a little container like you would for a glitter or a chunky glitter. Even though it's a solid, you will lay your nail flat right into it. And I noticed that sometimes it's just nice to change it up for how you apply your dip powders. Some people might find this method easier, so I wanted to give everybody another option besides just pouring over solids and shimmers. So you go through and I do my second layer. Normally I would do a layer of clear dip over all my nails and then finish my mani. But since I want to do nail stickers, I want to show you how to use just dip liquids. So once you dip your last layer, you want to take your stickers off and then you want to just apply them straight onto the dip powder. Now, you'll see here that I am on the struggle bus because my hands are really big and I am having trouble picking up these little tiny hearts, but I wanted so badly to use them for a Valentine's Day mani because the last time that I tried drawing hearts, it did not go well. I am not an artist. So I have these cute little heart stickers and I was determined to make them work. Now, my first mistake was I couldn't find the right nail tweezers. I have a bunch of them and I have these really pointy ones that are almost like pin needle tweezers, and I could not find them because we've moved and all of my nail stuff is all over the place. So I had to make do with what I had. And as you can see, I am continuing to struggle trying to get these tiny little stickers on with my big hands and tweezers that are not the right size. But I eventually was able to get each one on, and I wanted to do a couple red, 2 black ones. And now once I get all the stickers on, I take a layer of dip base, I apply it over my entire nail, and then I pour clear over it. And you can see that I kept like kind of dipping my nail back into the clear because you want to make sure that your sticker is totally encapsulated. And what that means is that you're not like leaving part of it above the clear dip. You don't want your stickers to come through the clear because when you apply your activator, then it will mess up the stickers. When I do my layers of clear over stickers, I really make sure I have soaked in that clear dip all the way into the dip liquids. I like to brush off my clear with a stiff nail brush to make sure that I'm not leaving my nails too bulky. Then I go in with my activator and I get it nice and soaked in there on all 5 nails so that once it dries for about 5 to 10 minutes, I went through, buffed and shaped and top coated like normal. And if you'd like to see more of how I do my nails from start to finish, click this next video. Thanks so much, nail crew.